The Nifeliz Black Hawk model kit offers an engaging building experience with its 1,352 pieces, allowing you to immerse yourself in creative play. This stunning pirate ship model is designed to be a true representation of a real-life vessel, measuring over 22 inches long, 21.6 inches high, and 6.2 inches wide. The model features intricate details such as a rotating rudder and multiple opening designs, making it a visually captivating display piece. This building kit is perfect for sparking imagination and offers endless build and play fun, making it a great gift for both teens and adults who enjoy challenging construction projects. The Nifeliz Black Hawk model kit is not only a creative toy, but also a decorative piece that stands out in any collection with its eye-catching design. Manufactured by Nifeliz, this pirate ship model is crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and a rewarding building experience.